The Versa is a unique piece of tech that was manufactured recently by Fitbit, so as you can guess, it has the latest features and trends, so let's have a quick look at what they are. Design-wise, the Versa is available in 5 colours from which to choose, and you can also purchase it with a small or a larger wristband, which I think is pretty cool since it accommodates different users. In addition, at the front there's a colour touchscreen with a brightness of 1000 nits, which means you won't have any problems reading the delivered information. On the left you'll find a key which when pressed will light up the screen and help you navigate backward, while on the right there are 2 additional buttons that'll allow you to pause, end or start your workouts. Moreover, users claim that the default band is actually very comfortable, but if you don't like it, you can choose woven, metal, leather or silicone bands, so in terms of customization, you won't feel restricted. Let's talk about performance. This model has up to 15 exercise modes, and what got my attention the most is the SmartTrack technology, which will automatically recognize and record the exercise you're doing. In addition, Versa has a water resistance rated at 50 meters, which basically means you can swim with it without any problem, since it'll keep track of your swimming as well. For your information, Versa will track your heart rate and sleep 24/7, and it'll push you text, call and calendar alerts, making sure that you're constantly informed. Finally, I'd like to mention that the battery life is expected to last around 4 days on a single charge, so you'll have enough time to achieve your fitness goals. To conclude, you should definitely take the Versa into consideration, and if you decide to purchase it, this watch will ensure you have a most enjoyable experience.